my name is Naime. I'm 25 years old. I was born in Gaziantep and I still live here with my family.
Gaziantep, the city of gastronomy, is also one of the most beautiful cities in Turkey.
I would like to introduce my family. Here is my parents.
My father is retired and my mother is housewife. We are 5 siblings. My older sister, Rabia, she is a psychologist. My second older sister, Sumeira, she is a teacher. My brother, Tahir, he is a businessman. My third older sister, Ayşe, she is a cop. And I am the youngest.
I am studying theology in the Sea of the Rize, which is located in the Black Sea region. I have 1 year left of my school before I graduate. I want to improve my English, learn different countries, and again experience abroad. That's why I decided to go into the Euraupair program and take a gap year from my school. I spent most of the year alone and away from my family, so I don't think I will have any problem getting used to a new family and arrangements when it comes to youth.
I like to spend time with my nephew's family and friends. I also like to go for a walk and cook special meals. I like to drive a car, but I am not a professional driver. I hope you enjoy my video and I hope to see you soon.